My name is Darren Harp with Chutes International, and today we are going to be showing you the automatic touchless chute doors. These doors existed in the past with no handle, but they were pneumatic doors, relying on compressors and pneumatic lines throughout the chute system. These doors are going to be completely automatic, completely self-opening and self-closing, but all of it is low voltage electric. These are ADA compliant doors, they are low maintenance, and they give you the same features as your other interlock doors where only one door can be used at a time, and you do have the ability to lock out the entire system for maintenance. So let's start with our bottom hinge door here. We have our wave sensor and we have our push to open as a secondary backup. So we wave our hand in front of the sensor, the door self-opens, and then once you put your trash in, it will self-close. Now there are safety measures built in. When the door starts to close, obviously your hand should be out of the way. However, if your hand or arm is still there or there's still trash blocking the way, the door will notice that, it'll stop, and then it will, when you pull your hand out, it'll stay in that position, and then eventually it will close. So it'll recognize that there's something in the way, it'll stop, and then it will close. And now, for the first time on the market, Chutes International is proud to introduce the fully automatic, touchless, side-hinged intake door for linen chutes. It works the same way as the bottom hinge door. Wave your hand in front of the sensor, the door will self-open. Now, this amount of time that the door is open from when it closes can be adjusted. So you will have a longer time for putting in bulkier linens. We can adjust that time so that it closes when you want it to close. As it's closing, it has the same safety features as the bottom hinge door. If there's a hand in there or an arm, it will stop until you're able to pull your arm or hand or the linen out, and then it will close automatically. Chutes International's products are proudly manufactured in the USA. We are your partner in design, build, installation, service, and replacement. We do all of this with one goal in mind: your success.